human being has different energies. And he is identified by the energies he has. If you study medicine, you are called doctor. If you study engineering, you can be called engineer. Whatever the way in which you have taken your life, you are called that. Yogini is researcher of mudras. Okay, Yogini, that is how the word came into practice. Yog, knowing yoga, is the meaning of yog. Knowing yoga and mudras, including Yoni Mudra. Yoni Mudra is very important term being used in Tantra. Most of the people who knows Tantra, they know how to form Yoni Mudra, and it gets connected straight to your heart and mind. Heart is the place in Tantra where Ishta resides. And in Sahasrar Chakra, there is a place which is called Guru Chakra, and in Guru Chakra, our Guru resides. That is what the whole life is. And when we do the Dhyan mantra of Guru, the first word itself says, Om Sir Padme Sahastare Chandramandal Madhyake. Sir Madhye Sahastrare. In the center of head, where crown chakra resides, is the place for your Guru's energy to reside. So, knowing Yoni Mudra connects you from your heart and from your crown chakra. So all those who knows how to connect the mudras with your heart and with your crown can be called as yogi and yogini. The next step of yogini is gi, and gi means girija. What girija means? One who is capable of serving the mother goddess. So, yogini becomes one who has got the wisdom of yoga and wisdom of mudras, including Yoni Mudra, and then shall be capable of serving the mother goddess. And who can serve? Who doesn't care for the richness, the riches? And ni means yoginis are one who says no to riches. Whatever you try to give them, it's nothing for them. And therefore, the whole definitions of yogini is the kind of energy present in the universe, the kind of energy present in the universe which understands all the limbs of yoga, including mudra and Yoni Mudra, serves the mother goddess, serves the mother earth, and never gets involved with riches. So all those human yoginis who has these qualities, who has manifested these energies from the universe in herself, can be called human yogini. Okay, you must know yoga, you must know mudra, you must always be ready to serve the mother goddess. And what are the mother goddess? The whole nature is nothing but mother goddess. Protectorate of trees, protectorate of plants, and not getting involved with the riches. Because if you get involved with the riches, you destroy nature. You cannot serve Mother Goddess anymore. So yoginis are one who doesn't get involved with the richness, serves always the Mother Goddess, lives naturally, has the wisdom of yoga and mudras in them. Thank you so much.